Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I have a website for you where you can $1 in just 3 to 4 minutes a day. The name of the site is Pay to Read Email. As the name suggests, this site pays you read emails, and this video I'll also show you other ways to make money. This site has 3 main steps. Step 1, sign up. Step 2, read emails. Step 3, get paid. This part explains why we should sign up on this website, with the main reasons being fast payment within 24 hours, $3 account bonus, and earning nearly $1 for each survey. Let's go to the sign up process. To sign up, you all need to enter your first name, an email address, a strong password, specify your gender, and click on sign up button. To log in, enter your email address and password, solve the CAPTCHA, and log in. This is the homepage of the site, where all the activities you can do are listed and explained. By clicking on this option, we go to the survey page, where the average earning from each survey are up to $1, and you can complete them in under 3 minutes. This is the $3 I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Other section where we can make money include the offer section, the earn points section, and the paid email section. The first section we'll check out is all offers, which is this page. As you can see, amounts like $3.50, $3 and $1.10 are some of the best surveys in this section. There are other offers too that you can complete. If I were you, after watching this video, I'd go and complete these offers. This part is over. Let's go to the next part. The next section is the surveys section, where some surveys are automated. Their prices range from 35 cents to $1. And the best part is they are automated. To complete them, you just need to provide a zip code. Specify your gender, enter your date of birth, and click continue. I'm doing now. And that's it. Remember to take this survey section seriously and not miss out, as I think it can be really great. The next section we are exploring in the points section. A great feature here is that you can convert your points into cash on PayPal and gift cards. The ease of collection points is evident from this video. You can quickly earn points by installing games on your Android phone, and the points aren't small. For example, if I install the Alibaba app, I can earn 11 points. Your email also needs to be linked to your phone number. There are plenty of apps in the section 2 that you can complete and collect points. The next section in this video is the referral section. This section shows your referral address. The next part we'll look at is under the Your Profile option in the My Account section. From this section, you can ensure you receive emails from this site and get paid for them. These emails can be promotional emails. You can also set the paid email rate here. I'm changing it to 10 cents. You can specify which days of the week you want to receive emails, choosing Y day or the whole week. Finally, click the Save Changes button. The next part is cashing out your earnings by clicking the Request Payment option in the My Account section. We have reached the final part where you cash out your earnings. It is stated here that the minimum withdrawal on this site is $15. You can also convert your points to cash here. How long do you think it will take to earn those $12? Let us know in the comments. This section shows the payments story, and I have not made any withdrawals yet. Well friends, we have reached the end of the video. If I like it, please like the video and leave your comments below. And finally, if you are interested in videos about making money online, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Until the next video, bye.